Welcome to Nari Seki. Today, let's make something spicy, crunchy, and healthy too. Masala Makhana. So, for this, I've taken a pan. Take ghee, 1 tablespoon, and to this, we are going to add some cumin seeds. And cumin seeds are very good for digestion. Those who want to lose weight, cumin seed consumption is good in a little bit of quantity. We are going to add curry leaves. Curry leaves will give a nice flavor to this. Let cumin seeds splutter a little bit. And then we are going to add makhana. Curry leaves will get roasted or a little bit fried when we are roasting makhana. And this will release a nice flavor of cumin and curry leaves into a makhana because makhana is healthy but it doesn't have a taste of its own. So I'm adding makhana on a low heat. Roast makhana very nicely, and it took me about 5 to 6 minutes. So how do you know that they're done is they'll become crunchy. You can try it out by eating if they're crunchy, or just listen to this sound. It's done. So now I'm going to add spices, but for makhana it's very difficult to stick the spices to it. So, so I'm going to add some ghee, and if the pan is too hot, then put off the gas stove. And now add spices, and here goes red chili powder as per your taste, turmeric powder, roasted cumin powder is optional if you don't have it. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper. Mix it well, put off the gas stove, and you can top it off with some Amchur powder, mango powder for sourness. So this is spicy, crunchy. Makhana is ready. Enjoy it as a snack. This is my favorite snack with tea.